What up, Rich Crew? What it do? Today we are going to Cars and Coffee in Scottsdale, Arizona. And then when we leave there, we're going to the Hot Wheels tour down in Tempe, Arizona. So today will be full of car content. So I'm letting you guys know ahead of time. Today is all about the cars. We're doing cars near me, car shows near me, which is in Scottsdale, Arizona today. And then we're also venturing down to Tempe, Arizona to go see the Hot Wheels tour. Really excited about seeing that. Didn't even know they had that. But we're going to go check it out today, see what it's like. And hopefully they have a Hot Wheel version of the M2 that we can purchase. With that being said, let's go to the garage and let's hit that cold start in Black Eagle. Because I know y'all love the cold start. Let's go. Getting ready to take the Eagle out, Black Eagle, to Cars and Coffee. Just give y'all a quick look. Look at those eyes, man. Those are some beautiful eyes right there. Angel eyes. Actually, I call them eagle eyes because this is the Black Eagle. Y'all should know it by now, but also make sure y'all go ahead and follow me on all social media. That's Instagram at Rituals, but that's also available on Twitter and as well as YouTube, which you're watching right now. So make sure y'all give me a follow on there. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button right now. Pause the video, go hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that thumbs up. And also go down in that comment section and leave your boy some comments about what type of content you guys want to see in the future. So I got a lot of good stuff coming up, but I also want some suggestions from you guys because I appreciate your support. We're gaining followers, or shall I say subscribers. We at a slow pace, but we're growing. We're getting there. We're getting there. So I really appreciate you guys' support. Right now we're at 25 subscribers, and I appreciate all 25 of you guys for rocking with me. Thank you for joining the Rich Crew. Hopefully we can get these numbers up, and I'm gonna keep bringing you content regardless because I just love doing this, to be honest with you. So let's get to that car show because I know that's what y'all waiting for. Me too, especially see some Hot Wheels. Let's go. So slight change of plans. We got to Scottsdale a little too late, so sorry we missed out on that car show. But guess what? We're at the Hot Wheels event. mods that I get. Carbon fiber liner. He even got the carbon baby. hottest.